Yeah, I think it'll stop at 223.
Nice, that's just what we need. Okay, today we're testing some bulletproof glass right here. And we're just gonna do a simple test. We're gonna have Mitchell stand behind it. And then we're just gonna shoot at it.
Ready for this.
You ready?
I'm gonna be licking it while it shoots.
Okay, we've hired the sharpshooter here to make sure he doesn't die, so.
Here we go. Here we go. We ready?
Go ahead. Now let's go see if Mitchell's still alive.
Is he done?
Yeah. Look at that. No bullet holes?
I'm good.
Lick it just to make sure.
Oh yeah, that's bulletproof.
Yeah, because the bullets shooting it, you know, that wasn't enough proof.
A layer of like rubber and then glass behind it.
Yeah, we shot that with probably 30 rounds and Mitchell survived.
That's some good glass. Should have had the eye protection on.
That was a joke. We didn't actually attempt to sacrifice Mitchell.
But I wouldn't have flinched.
That piece of bulletproof glass, that was actually provided to us by a company called Armor Max, and Mark here.
So my name is Mark Burton, and I make bulletproof cars for a living. So we put, glass on regular vehicles, your Range Rovers, your Toyota Land Cruisers, and we help save lives.
And we actually took a tour of their facility, kind of saw their process of how they tear down the cars. They rip them down to basically a frame, a shell, and then they just bulletproof the entire interior, bulletproof glass, and yeah, and that's what we tested here. Now we're just gonna shoot this one because why not? And we're gonna stick Mario behind it to see if he survives.
Oh, Mario lives.
Saved him. And he survived. Not a single one went through. And this pane of glass, along with the one that we shot previously, these are rated for high-powered rifle. See, like, how many shots did we shoot that? Like 10, 12? And nothing went through. But we've got a thicker piece right here, and this piece is rated for armor-piercing round.
Hey, don't worry.
It's just over 2 inches thick, and we're gonna see if the water jet can successfully cut through that.
It's kind of cool to see the crack through there.
Yeah, it pierced it, and in one of the layers it kind of expanded out that direction. There we go.
That's a glass deagle.
Glass deagle. Oh, you can see all the layers in it. That's a lot of layers. Let's see if we can get the play button out. Oh!
See that?
Over there, that's where it found a kind of a gap, and the pressure just kind of hollowed that cavity out.
Blasted the glass in there. So yeah, I can see the shards of glass where it tried to break through. Couldn't find a place for the water to go with all that pressure. It shot out in that cavity.
Yeah, so the strike face on this is supposed to be the glass side, and we pierced it starting from that side to back. So we're gonna flip this over, pierce it from the other side just in this area, and see how that differs from that first pierce.
But yeah, it looks like you can see it shattered on almost every layer of glass in there.
Yeah, it just didn't create a bubble that time.
You can see it go all the way down each layer of glass.
And that is bulletproof glass on a water jet. Thanks to Armor Max for providing this for us. And if you need to bulletproof your car or what else,
Or your bicycle.
your bicycle, check them out. Yeah, cool.